Hi guys, welcome back to Emoji's Fun. Today I'm going to be rating Disney movies on a tier list. So first we have not watched, meh, okay, liked, loved, want to watch every day. So first one is Snow White. I'm going to give it an okay. Then Pinocchio, I'm going to give it a liked. Then Fantasia, I'm going to give it a not watched. Then Dumbo, I'm going to also give an okay, but it's better. I'll just keep it there. Bambi, I'll give a okay. So right now, Dumbo's my favourite out of them. Saludos Amigos, not watched. Three Caballeros, also not watched. Make My Music, not watched, never heard of it. Never Fun and Fancy 3, not watched. This is also Pixar. Melody Time, meh. Don't know what this one is, but I've not watched it anyway. Cinderella I have actually watched, and it can go there. Alice in Wonderland, I liked. Peter Pan, want to watch every day. Lady and the Tramp, liked. Sleeping Beauty, loved. 101 Dalmatians. Sword and Stone, it's also going on my not watched. Jungle Book, I'm going to put it liked there. Aristocats, Robin Hood, Winnie the Pooh, that's put there. Rescuers, The Fox and the Hound, Mysteries Are Going On That, Great Mouse Detective, what's that? Black Hole, whatever that is, never watched. Oliver something or something. Little Mermaid. Down Under. Literally, Zone has actually had to extend now. Beauty and the Beast, I have actually watched this, and I liked it. Aladdin, I liked it. Lion King, I loved it. Loved. Pocahontas, liked. Notre Dame 1, Hercules, Mulan, Tarzan, Fantasia 2000, Dinosaur, Emperor's New Groove, Atlantis. Here we go, Lilo and Stitch. I've watched bits of it, and I'm going to put it in loved there. Can't even read that one, so it's going there. Brother Bear, meh. Home Range, never watched. Chicken Little, never watched. Like, this is how many we've got left, so. Meet the Robinsons, there. Bolt, there. But them ones were not watched. I think this is Princess and the Frog, if I'm right. Winnie the Pooh again. Liked. Tangled. Want to watch every day. Wreck-It Ralph. Not watched. Frozen. Everyone knows where this is going. Want to watch every day. Big Hero 6. Not watched. Zootopia I've actually watched. And I like Try Everything, so that can go in light. Moana, okay. Wreck-It Ralph, no, Ralph Breaks the Internet. Frozen 2. Actually, I'm moving Frozen to loved and Frozen 2 to want to watch every day because I enjoyed that one. Encanto, want to watch every day. Raya, never not watched. Toy Story #1, I loved. A Bug's Life, not watched. Toy Story #2, I liked. Monsters Inc., I okay. Finding Nemo, okay. The Incredibles 1, okay. Cars, meh. Ratatouille, liked. Wall-E, not watched. Up, okay. Toy Story 3, okay. Cars 2 is also going in meh. Brave, not watched. Monsters Inc. University, also not watched. Inside Out, I have actually watched, and I'm going to put it in loved. Finding Dory can go in okay. The Good Dinosaur, also okay. Cars 3, meh. Coco, I did actually enjoy Coco, so I'm going to put it in liked. Incredibles 2, loved when I watched it. Toy Story 4, want to watch every day. Onward, not watched. Soul, not watched. Luca, not watched. Turning Red, I have watched, and it's okay. Lightyear, not watched. So the ones I want to watch every day were The Little Mermaid, Peter Pan, Tangled, Frozen 2, Encanto, and Toy Story 4. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!